Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is something simple, a little easy video here. It's basically how to cop for a Nike sneaker shop for a Nike and SACAI pair of Vapor Waffles, and they're pretty nice, two different colorways, both gum bottom ones, and they go for a fair amount of money, and the resale prices are looking pretty nice, to be honest. These have been out for a little bit. It looks like at least they've had some raffles drop them or something like that, so that's really what we're going to be getting into and everything like that. So hope y'all will enjoy this video. Again, you can check on my Instagrams, anything like that. I just posted something on my Instagram if y'all want to go look at it. It's kind of funny, just about FedEx taking another one of my packages. I'm not even shocked. I don't even know how you get your money back via Yeezy Supply if FedEx steals a package, because I haven't had it yet with Yeezy Supply. This is a new little thing, you know. I've just had it before where FedEx has just stolen my stuff via like Raffles or something, but this is the first time via Adidas where you know, I've had just FedEx finesse me for a pair. It was like for the Static V2s, but at least it wasn't anything too crazy. I kind of wanted them to wear though because it was my size, so I'm a little bit disappointed, you know. Not mad, just disappointed, because it was totally expected. I didn't expect to get any of it, nor like I expect to get any of my Yeezy Slide stuff. If I get it, I will be very surprised, just because FedEx is so bad. I truly believe that I will be shocked if I get anything that I ordered from Yeezy Supply this week. So yeah, we'll just get into this video. Enough ranting. So first things first, you can see we got two colorways, both dropping on March 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is tomorrow. So make sure you have your eyes peeled. There's a lot of raffles also going on for the shoot today. So if I posted this video early enough, like around 4 o'clock, hopefully something like that, just check in my bio. There might be a couple raffles going on, like on the Raffles Snkrs link. You can check that out. But I know places like No Tray and other, you know, locations like that have already ran the raffles, and they may be closed at this point by the time this video is posted. But both of these are great to go for. They're reselling well. Here's the black gum colorway, and you can see both are looking fairly nice. I'm a bigger fan of the white gum one, but whatever one you would want to go with, honestly, it does not matter. Again, target those bigger sizes. Those are always the safer bets if you were just trying to resell this shoe. So that'd be like an 11 plus, 10.5 plus. But again, if you're just wanting this to wear, get your own size. I mean, the easiest sizes to get are the ones with the most stock, and those tend to be, you know, sizes like 9 through 10, you know, ones like that. 10.5, you know, 11, 12s, 9s, maybe even sometimes 8, rarely, but you know, usually they're just like those middle sizes. It's pretty obvious which ones usually, if you just kind of think about it like that. It's like the mid-range sizes. Basically, think of it like a pyramid. Bigger sizes or more pairs, and it just kind of spreads out as, you know, it gets bigger. Then when you hit a 12, it's just like a anomaly, you know what I mean? Because 12s, size 12s are going for, you know, always have a lot of stock. I don't know what it is, but I guess we got a lot of people with size 12. So aside from that, again, $180 retail, y'all see that. It's very worth it to pay it. There's no grade school sizes for this one as well, if I'm correct. You can see, there you go. And this is a clean pair. Like, I see why people are paying the high for this one right now. Like, this looks like a fairly wearable pair of shoes, especially heading into summer. I bet this one is looking especially clean. And same with this one too. I bet this one's actually probably not looking, you know, too half bad when it's in hand. I mean, these look like some wearable pairs. I mean, I've never been someone that's like a huge Vapor Waffle fan, but I mean, at some point I'll probably start adding some, and this would be one that I would not. This would be the one I would add. If I had to add one to the personal collection, it would be this one right here. Just very clean. I rock with this one heavy. Even with the gum bottom, I think it kind of fits a little bit more. I could be wrong with that, but that just, again, that's what I'm thinking. So aside from that, you know, all that, we'll get into the resale. So here's what I meant by these are doing very well. I mean, like, yeah, these are selling consistently, guys. People are paying the high on these. Look at this. I mean, they are heading down right now. So the main goal for this one, if you got it, would probably be to sell it now. But I mean, you see people are willing to pay this as 660 sales in over all sizes, over a $400 price point. So keep that in mind. All over $400, 600 something sales. And then on this one, this has like 1,000 something sales. Look at that, 1,080 something sales. And look at that, average sale price is $600. Look at what these are reselling for right now in the white colorway. So the white colorway is going for a little bit more, just because I think people like that one a little bit more. Again, has a little bit more sales, so this one's probably a safer bet too. But look at this, man. Like, yeah, Vapor Waffles are not going anywhere, bro. If Nike needs to, you know, get on one shoe, they need to consistently stick with the Vapor Waffles and keep putting in good work and good collaborations with those. I think they can have a little bit of a run with those. Even though they've been out for a bit, I think there's still some time that they could, you know, have a chance. They could have some time to shine, you know. But my personal resale estimation, I'm actually not going to give one in this video, but I am going to say that the white colorway will resell for more than the black colorway when it comes to the end of the drop day. That is my prediction. And if you want to hold this one, you could. It would probably be a longer term hold. I mean, there's not going to be a grand amount of pairs and sneakers. I'm pretty, you know, certain of that, but there will be a decent amount of people that hit. It will probably be at least 60, 70K. So this one will drop a fair amount, because when you have 60, 70K pairs dropping, obviously, you know, people are gonna, you know, cut the market down a little bit. So I definitely expect these, you know, drop another $100, maybe $120 in both, you know, both colorways. I would not be surprised by that. And again, they will return to these prices in the future. Just stay tuned for it. And if you have a pair of these right now, I would personally recommend selling it just based off the dip, unless it's the white colorway. The white colorway is not really dipping like that, even with it having more sales. So the white colorway, I mean, I think it'll dip after the sneakers drop, but if it returns back to these prices quickly, no shock to me. So that's just my estimation right there, kind of my little prediction for resale. Just know you're safe going for any sizes on this drop. You will profit and you will be safe, because people are clearly rocking with these pairs. Look, they're I mean, both have over 500 sales. When pairs have around over 500 sales, that's when I say it's safe to, you know, kind of be like, okay, this is a safe bet or it's not a safe bet, and you can see which one's a safer bet. But you know, again, go for whatever one. I got really repetitive there. Hopefully not too repetitive. Maybe I'll cut it down or something, but just I wanted to really explain that so y'all understood it. But again, if you've been here before, these two little piece of advice videos, I guess little how-to cop videos, are down below. This one just kind of shows you how to make multiple accounts in sneakers, and this one right here shows you some tips and tricks that you can use on the app to cop more often. So if y'all want to check that, those are both down below in the description. And I would appreciate it. You know, y'all have shown a lot of support, you know, here on the channel, and it goes a long way. You know, I'm always trying to, you know, make videos that are consistent and good. And I'll, of course, help you all out too, something that's informative, you know, something new. And yeah, that's really just what it is. So again, check this one out. This is a little tips one. And the other one, multiple accounts, is very useful in sneakers. I always explain it like this, and I will continue to explain it like this in the future. Think of sneakers like a lottery. If you have 10 tickets for a lottery or 1 ticket for a lottery, when are you going to hit more often? It's going to be when you have 10 tickets, not 1 ticket. Now, you could hit with the 1 ticket, of course, but your chances are higher if you have 10. So, this isn't really like a lottery either, because you're not having to pay for those tickets. You can make accounts for free. So that's just kind of what I like to think of it as. And yeah, that's how you really work around sneakers, how I work with it. And also, the guys that copped me all the, you know, Yeezy supply drops and stuff like that, they caught me 2 pairs of Yeezy slides. They caught me those static V2s, which I probably not getting anymore, but that is not their fault, and they are $60 monthly fees, so y'all can check them out. And you know, of course, you want to join the group, just go let them know that, you know, I sent you, anything like that. But you can see they kind of have that ticket service where they cop you items and things like that. And I don't know why, I just can't stop thinking about those static V2s. I'm kind of bummed by that. I'm kind of bummed. I wanted those to wear. I paid $330 for those, bro. It was a $300 retail. Like, bro, I can't have tis what it is. But basically, if you're trying to get into a group that will actually copy you more items, you know, kind of a community, again, if you're newer to reselling, stuff like that, a community that can show you the basics of reselling, how to bot, things like that. Like, you could always open a help ticket in their group chat if you're trying to, you know, learn about botting. They could always give you advice if you're confused about anything. They're willing to help you out. They have tons of mods for that, and really useful people. And you know, just good community as well. It's different people you can talk with. You know, if you take L's, you can always know that you're not alone. I mean, that's kind of a known thing. You know, you're never alone when you take an L. I mean, most people do take an L on a drop if you think about it. And yeah, so most people are losers before winners. But in this group chat, you can learn a lot about how to be a winner on sneakers drops, things like that. They give a lot of really good advice, and I appreciate it. They have a lot of good people right in the chat, kind of in there, and it's a good community. So again, check them out. Again, if you're trying to cop items off Easy Supply, stuff like that, they have tickets that can work for y'all. You know, again, they have their own autofill, secret sauce. They have the sauce autofill. So yeah, that's all there. And we will pray to the sneaker gods that we maybe potentially get our pair of static V2s. The odds are astronomically low. If I can at least just get my slides, Adidas, you win. FedEx, you win. Just give me my refund somehow. But yeah, just hit them up on Twitter. Let them know I sent you if you're trying to get in, or just follow their Instagram and wait for invites again. That's pretty much how simple it is. So aside from everything there, again, when you look on sneaker news, there's a few places dropping this one, and Europe is also dropping this one again tomorrow, so stay tuned. Everybody's having this drop on the same day, so UK boys, US boys, we're going to be united on this drop, and we're going to be trying to succeed on the wrath of Nike sneakers, and hopefully we will come out successful. But do we know that? No, we do not know that. But that's everything we got. Again, you want to check my Instagrams, anything like that. You have any questions down below, check my description or go to the comment section, ask anything there. I will be there to help you all out momentarily. I usually respond in like a day or so, maybe less. As long as I understand the question. If it's something, you know, I would want to respond to. There's some very interesting people in my comment section. Some I respond to just because, like, you know, it's just very interesting, I guess. And, you know, sometimes they're like the first person to comment on my video. So I'm like, okay, sure, I'll respond to it, even though it's kind of weird. But yeah, that's it. Story of my life right there, guys, is odd circumstances, uncomfortable situations, stuttering, and success. That is the epitome of my life, and I'm okay with it, honestly. Honestly, I just didn't even try to say that word. So I'm gonna end that, and yeah, I'm gonna go do something. I'm gonna get out the house or something. I don't know. I'm bored. I'll catch you on the next vid. Not really bored. Who knows? Peace.
If you tweaking, then you probably want something. Ay, if you tweaking, then you probably on something. Yeah, I ain't down for your loving. Yeah, in the air, put your hand.